It's time for Seth freaking Rollins versus Roman Reigns World Heavyweight Championship match here at WWE SummerSlam 2026. It's the final chapter of the Shield rivalry as Seth Rollins and Roman Reigns will close this chapter tonight. It will be either Roman Reigns or Seth freaking Rollins walk out as the world champion tonight. Tonight, Roman Reigns and Seth Rollins will settle their differences. Seth Rollins betrayed the Shield in the last decade. And now, in 2026, Seth Rollins is challenging Roman Reigns, making a claim that Roman Reigns can't defeat him when it matters the most. But the biggest question is, will the OTC defeat Seth Rollins tonight and retain his title, or Seth Rollins become the new World Heavyweight Champion? Here comes the King of WWE, the undisputed OTC, Roman Reigns. Tonight, Roman Reigns will face his biggest challenge because Seth Rollins play mind games. Just like you saw during the entrance of Seth Rollins, he wore the Shield mask. And Seth do it all because he know the weakness of Roman Reigns. Roman Reigns always get triggered when he remember how Seth Rollins smashed a chair on his back. How Seth Rollins got sold out. How Seth Rollins chose success over the brotherhood, over the family that they built in 2-3 years. And now the OTC is here to punish and destroy the visionary, destroy the revolutionary, destroy Seth freaking Rollins. But this time Roman Reigns has to remember that he has not to use the steel chair. Otherwise OTC will lose again tonight, like he lost at Royal Rumble 2022. Tonight Roman Reigns has to fight with all his guts to defeat Seth Rollins. Roman Reigns defeated so many legends before, but he never defeated Seth Rollins at the bigger stages. And now, look at Seth freaking Rollins. He is so relaxed, while Roman Reigns in tension. Roman Reigns in big pressure. But remember, the OTC is the king of WWE, and the biggest reason why he is the king of WWE, because he thrives under pressure. Roman Reigns dominate under pressure, and now it's time. Reigns, Rollins in the same ring here at SummerSlam 2026, Night 2, in the main event of the biggest party of summer. Let's go. It's time for fight. Roman Reigns clearly overpowering Seth Rollins, but Rollins again playing mind games and disrespecting the OTC. Because Seth Rollins is a little bit quicker than Roman Reigns. A close line by Reigns. Another close line to Rollins. Seth Rollins got rocked, but now Rollins with a kick to the knee, super kick to the face, and now Reigns and Rollins again talking trash, getting angry on each other, wanna fight each other, wanna destroy each other. Right hand by Reigns, one by Rollins. Two brothers, not by blood but by heart. and they know they respect each other. Right hand after right hand by both Reigns and Rollins. And now Rollins is getting the upper hand. Now Reigns and Rollins went outside in between the fans. They are brawling. And now Seth Rollins going for the superplex, but Roman said, no, you can't hit me with a superplex. I'm gonna hit you with a superplex, baby. Look at Seth Rollins. The pain on his face is on a different level. And now Roman Reigns going for the spear, maybe. Yes, sir. He roars. Spear. No, Seth hits him with a kick, and now we back inside the ring for some more action here in the main event. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible wrestling action like this. Reigns roars, going for the spear. Oh, Rollins escapes. A stomp to Reigns. Roman Reigns got rocked by the stomp and a kick out by the OTC. And now Rollins got the steel chair in his hand. The Visionary is looking to end Roman Reigns in this match, as there is no referee or right hand by Reigns. The OTC stopped Seth Rollins, but you know, that is a plan of the Visionary. Seth Rollins intentionally bring the steel chair inside the ring so that Roman Reigns remember the past, the bad memories of the Shield breakup. Look at Roman Reigns. He is trying his best to control his emotions to win this battle. And look at Reigns. Will he smash Rollins with a chair again? Will Roman Reigns accept to get disqualified? Oh no. Roman Reigns chose to forgive Seth Rollins. And you know what? When you let things go, you get the ability to move on. And now Roman Reigns telling Seth Rollins, I'm forgiving you, my brother. Let's fight. Because we were the only two among the Shield that cared about this business, that cared about this company. Dean Ambrose left us. He ran away. But we are the two. The only two that mattered. And now they are fighting. Because they know only one of them will be victorious and walk out as a world heavyweight champion. Rollins getting the upper hand again because he's quick. Reigns still on his feet, still fighting. Both men fighting through the pain. Right hand. A right forearm strike. Oh, Rollins with one. Rollins telling Reigns, come on, hit me. Look at the anger on the face. He telling Roman Reigns, just wake up, brother, and fight. Roman Reigns. And now Reigns destroying. Bringing the monster that lives inside him. And now Rollins. Oh, it's a right hand from Reigns. Super kick stuns and rocks the OTC. Superman punch by the king of WWE. And now Reigns. Oh, it's a pedigree. What a counter by Seth Rollins on the torpedo spear. And now Reigns, Rollins climbing to the top rope. Rollins going for the superplex. Reigns fighting back maybe. He wants to counter the move. Oh, Reigns getting punches to the cut of the Visionary. Headbutt. Rollins went down to the mat. Oh, Rollins made a comeback, and this time Reigns has no answer. Reigns was not ready. Superplex. Falcon Arrow time. Falcon Arrow, no way. Reigns with a guillotine shock on Seth Rollins. And this time Rollins in trouble now. Reigns going for the Barkeeper spear. A spear by Seth. Incredible. Incredible Seth. He's going for the cover. Powers out. Reigns powers out. Oh, power bomb. These two brothers giving it all in this match. And now Reigns again going for the power bomb. This time Seth counters. Power bomb by Seth Rollins to Roman Reigns through the announcer's desk. And now, after all this carnage, we again back inside the ring for more action. Reigns roars, the king of WWE. Oh no, Rollins escapes. A stomp, cover by Seth Rollins. 1, 2, Reigns powers out at 2.9. The kick out king, the kick out artist. Reigns, buckle bomb, using the move of Seth Rollins because Seth used the spear stomp. Incredible. What a storytelling in this match. Oh, kick out. Spear. Cover by Reigns. 1, 2, 3. Roman Reigns defeated Seth freaking Rollins for the first time in a big stage like SummerSlam. Roman Reigns retains. Seth Rollins sitting inside the ring looking at his brother who finally defeated him. And now the reunion of the Shield without Dean Ambrose. Now Brock Lesnar, the Beast incarnate. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible wrestling action like this. Brock Lesnar with a tombstone pile driver. Covered by the Beast. 1, 2, kick out by Obafemi. Brock Lesnar looking towards Obafemi with so much fear. He got steel chair in his hand. Oh, Obafemi counters, smashes and rocks the steel chair. Now Obafemi picks Brock Lesnar up. Fall from grace. Cover by Obafemi. Oh God, Obafemi defeated Brock Lesnar inside Hell in a Cell. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible wrestling action like this.
Fight, Owens, fight! Fight, Owens, fight! Oh, nah! He just came back from injury.
Subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more wrestling action like this.
First time JD's felt this.
Subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible wrestling action.
Ist mein Lieblingsrapper, weil er Tricks ein Bro ist. Let's go, Lil Yachty! Ah! No way. Oh shit! 1, 2, 3!
It's hard to watch this. Chad Gable defeated Penta to become the new Intercontinental Champion. Congratulations to Chad Gable. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible wrestling action like this. Thanks for watching.